Hi readers! Are you ready to get learning today? Today we will be doing some interactive writing.
Materials!
For today, grab some paper and a pencil. Here are today's two learning targets. I can sort rabbit words and compound words. And I can collaborate with my teacher to write a sentence with CVC, CVCC, two-syllable and high-frequency words. Let's get started.
Transition song.
Sorting words is lots of fun. We make a change to the word run. A different vowel changes run to ran. We find some rhymes like can and tan. Look for words that sound the same. That's how we'll play this sorting game.
Word work.
Now, it's time to play another round of Sort It Out. Today's words are going to fall into one of two categories. The words will either be compound words or rabbit words. Let's talk about what this means. Compound words are two smaller words that come together to make up a new word. For example, foot and ball come together to make the compound word football. Rabbit words don't have smaller words within it, but rabbit words are made up of closed syllables. So let's look at the word rabbit. These words have a vowel followed by two consonants and then another vowel that's also closed in. The word rabbit is an example. Let's do some sorting together. Let's look at our first word. Cannot. Cannot. I can see that it has two vowels. It has the short vowel A and the short vowel O. A and ah. If it has two vowels, how many syllables does it have? That's right. Cannot has two syllables. Is cannot a compound word or a rabbit word? That's right. Cannot is a compound word because each syllable, can and not, are a word on their own. Are you ready for the next one? Here it is. This word is sudden. Can you find the vowels? That's right. U says and the E says eh. Sudden. Is sudden a compound word or a rabbit word? Sudden is a rabbit word. If we break that word into syllables, sud, den, we hear that each syllable is not a word on its own, but it's still made up of two closed syllables. Here's another word. Sunlit. Find the vowels. The U, which says is closed in by the N. And then the I, which says I, is closed in by the T. Is that a compound word or a rabbit word? Sunlit is a compound word because the syllables sun and lit are both words on their own. Here is our last word. Rubbish. Rubbish is another word for trash. Let's find those vowels. The U says and the I says I. So if I break that up between syllables, I have rub-bish, rubbish. Is that a compound word or a rabbit word? Rubbish is a rabbit word. Although rub is a word on its own, Fish is not a word on its own. So this goes in the rabbit word column. Thanks for sorting these words with me.
Writing.
We are going to do some interactive writing now and write a whole sentence. So grab your paper and pencil. The sentence we are going to write together is, Granddad put my stuff on the bookshelf. Say it with me this time. Granddad put my stuff on the bookshelf. Let's get started with the word granddad. I can hear that granddad is a two-syllable word, so we know it's going to have two vowels. And granddad is a compound word because both of the words grand and dad are words on their own. To write a two-syllable word, we can do one syllable at a time. So let's tap out the word grand together. And grand. Let's go ahead and write that part. How are you going to start your sentence? We are going to need an uppercase G. That says G, and it needs to be uppercase because it starts the sentence. Try to write the rest of the syllable grand. And. Once you have the first syllable, add the second syllable. Dad. Dad. As you finish writing the word granddad, go ahead and check your word with mine. All right. After a word, we need a you've got it, a space. Granddad put my stuff on the bookshelf. The high frequency word put doesn't play fair, but we can get it started. P. After you have that P, you can finish the word by checking it with mine. Put. P-U-T. Okay, Granddad put my stuff on the bookshelf. I'll leave another space. And then we have the high frequency word my. My plays fair. Can you try to write it on your own? My. You can check yours with mine. M-Y, my. Granddad put my stuff. I'll leave another space after the word my. Tap out the word stuff with me. Stuff. Stuff has a blend at the beginning. St. And then a vowel, and then there is a bonus letter at the end of the word. Go ahead and try to write the word stuff. Here it is, S-T-U-F-F. We doubled that F because the F follows a short vowel sound. We are getting closer to the end of our sentence. Nice job. Granddad put my stuff, let's leave a space, on the bookshelf. You can write the high frequency word on. Go ahead and give it a try and then check your word with mine. On. O-N. After we leave another space, we'll need to write the high frequency word the. Go ahead and try writing the on your own, and then you can check it with my word. You've got it. T-H-E. We are almost done with our sentence. Just one more word to go. Granddad put my stuff on the bookshelf. Let's think about the word bookshelf together. I hear that it has 2 syllables, book, shelf, and each syllable is a word on its own. So it's a compound word. Let's look at this word together and talk about it before you write it on your paper. You can see that bookshelf starts with the letter B, and then the OO works together to say and then K ends the word book. The second syllable is shelf. It starts with that digraph SH, short vowel E, and LF says ulf. Put that together and we have bookshelf. Go ahead and add that word to your sentence to finish it off. As you finish writing the word bookshelf, you can write a period at the end to show your reader that you're finished. Let's point under each word as you read your whole sentence using a loud and proud voice. Granddad put my stuff on the bookshelf.
Closing reflection.
You did an amazing job with your interactive writing today. How does listening for syllables and words help us with our spelling? That's right. When we listen for each syllable, we can focus on writing each syllable at a time. That is a strategy that can help us to write longer words. I'm so proud of your hard work. Make sure to show off your sentence to someone in your home or someone in your classroom. I'll see you again here soon for another lesson.